Okay, all right. Hello, Roshni. I think Roshni connected here. Hi. Yes, Roshni, actually, we are running with the introduction part, so I want your introduction because we have finished Soumya here. Soumya have done, she is pursuing this, we can say, diploma. And Paul Raz, he has finished his diploma and he's teaching since 7 years. And I'm doing freelancing. I have experience. I have done the BTech, and after that I have worked for 3 to 4 years, and now I'm working as a freelancer from home. So that is why I thought, why not we can join, because I'm also having the basic communication skill. So I thought we can make a group, and where we can have the good discussion on the English. And if someone want to, like, we can also discuss the vocabulary, and I want you guys that on regular basis what we can do, we can even discuss about the five vocabulary. We can prepare five vocabulary on the daily basis, and we can learn that. Yes, hello, Roshni.
you know we can we need to and have some personality so that we can look different from the other people,
Yeah,
add some
yeah.
enhancing qualities, so
Right, right.
this will help
I'm
us.
so happy
So
that I'm so glad that we are connected here and we are having the discussions right now. And as
yeah,
said, Soumya, she
and
was very active.
it's like
She was
yeah.
active, and Roshni, you were also active on the Telegram. And Paul Raz, I think he has just joined. He has not replied on the group, right?
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so sorry I took your time, but
No,
I
no,
will
no,
introduce
no
myself.
problem, no problem.
um,
We are here just to
okay.
learn. You know what? I'm also like you guys only, and I'm here to have the discussion. We can improve. My motive was is the best thing. Like, we are not getting the platform our homes. In our homes we won't find the multiple person who can speak within English communication. So I thought, why not we can connect online, and we can have the conversation, because most of the time I'm doing my work and I'm connecting with the multiple people. So I'm making the videos and I'm posting on YouTube. So I thought I can make a group here. So we will,
And it will also help us to relax ourselves, to get
yes,
little bit
yes,
calm,
yes.
and to get rid of all the stress
Obviously,
and
and
all other
this is a
thing, all other
pandemic
stuff.
time,
Yeah.
and we won't have any work to do. Basically, we are doing, and
Yeah.
after doing our work, we took a lots of tension. So this is the best time
Yeah.
we can even work on our, where we are lacking. If we have the lack in the communication, English communication, if we are facing the issue, we can work on it. So multiple things, whatever the things, this is the best time you can improve yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So next, yeah, Roshni, you haven't told me about yourself,
Sorry.
what you are doing.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry about that.
No
Yeah,
problem.
as you know, myself is Roshni Saw. I am originally from Jharkhand, but I grew up in Mumbai. I have
Okay.
completed my BSc in mathematics this year,
Great,
and
great,
along
great.
with my graduation, I have done teachings for past 2 years. That
Okay.
was just for my experience and to explore that field.
Mm-hmm.
And my hobbies include teaching. That is teaching, writing, reading,
Okay.
and having some,
So
travel, not along
you're
the.
teaching or not?
Yeah, actually na in this pandemic time I went to my native place, so that connection, in my native place there was not much of electricity and I didn't got that equipments to teach online. So I
Okay.
skipped that this year and I focused on my
All
studies
right.
as
No problem,
this.
no problem. You can
Yeah.
teach us here only.
Yeah.
Whatever the
Yeah.
knowledge skill
Yeah.
you have, you can teach.
Yeah.
No problem.
Everyone first are teachers only. I think so. Like
That's
everyone have
great.
their own
That's great. I'm
experience
so
and
happy.
we
I'm so
can teach.
glad that I have joined and I thought to go for this, because how, like, I found the best people here, and they are just informing about what they are doing, and I'm really very glad to know about that. You're working like this way, and we have Paul Raj. He's teaching from 7 years, and Soumya, she's pursuing her studies. Okay, so what about your day from today? What you have done since morning?
Uh, uh, Actually,
Okay,
today's our
or we
farewell,
can, yeah, yeah. Your daily routine,
our
you can tell
graduation
me.
farewell. Sorry,
Your
can you
daily
please
routine,
repeat?
I'm saying that you
Yeah,
can tell us.
yeah, daily routine in the sense today it is different from the daily routine. Today I have a lot of excitement, a lot of I'm a little bit nostalgic, and a lot of feelings is there inside because it's my farewell and I have 2 3 sessions. So
Okay.
today is different. Or usually I used to do I'm later
Farewell,
late
farewell
late
of what?
Actually, I have completed my graduation this year now. So like there is online farewell, you
Okay,
can say.
online favor.
Like
That is
they
why
come.
I think like
Yeah.
how we can go like there for the farewell, how we can
No,
attend today.
no, it's an
Yeah,
online
yeah.
farewell.
Okay, okay, that's nice,
Like
right?
we have planned many things for our teachers and for all the students also.
Great,
So
great.
let's see how it will be. And usually I used to do like I'm a like late bird. I don't get up so early. I will get up by 9 around. So
Okay.
I'm like a night. I'm a night lover. I just love to
Owl,
stay awake
like
till
an owl.
like till late night and do something, do some
Okay, that's
creative, think
great.
of
That's great.
something, or write something.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like that. So I
Fantastic, fantastic. That's
like
nice.
get up so late, you can say. So I will
What's your
get up and
routine,
have my
Paul Raj?
breakfast and sorry.
I'm asking to Paul Raj, what's his routine? He's so silent on the this video conferencing.
Yeah.
He's
I
Actually,
thinking
he
watching
that
didn't
your
got that opportunity to speak up now.
he's thinking that there's three ladies and I'm not getting any time to speak and they are just continuously.
Yeah.
Yes, Paul Raj.
Well,
Very, yeah, Pratik and
yeah.
actually I have seen the Pratik was active on Telegram and now he haven't joined yet. Yes, Paul Raj. Yes, tell me your daily routine, what you are doing on regular basis.
regular basis. Morning time I conduct the online classes.
Okay.
After I am prepare the food corona patient.
What? I didn't get.
I am prepared to food corona patients.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay. So like
Then
you have joined somewhere, some kind of the place where they're making the food for the corona patient, or like from your at your home only this is happening.
that is a government order, madam.
Okay. All
Yeah,
all right.
many people saying staying working.
So you have like you have one place in your area where you all are preparing the food, or what kind of the things? I didn't get what actually you are saying.
Many people some materials given to me.
Mm-hmm.
Then I then uh, mm, then peoples are collect the materials after prepare the food and distribute many others area.
Okay, so you are also involved in distributing the food to the corona patients.
I am volunteers, madam.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's great. It's good job, and at this time, it's really needed, and the fantastic job you're doing. So I would really,
thank you,
yeah,
madam.
appreciate for that you're doing. Yeah. So Soumya, you are
Thank you,
very
madam.
silent.
I am
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, Paul Raj.
No, I just hear,
You're listening.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay, all right. Yes, Paul Raj, you were saying something. I interrupted you. Sorry.
I am meeting first time. I am I am beginner in English,
No problem.
beginner,
We all
but
are
I am
beginner.
long.
We all are beginner here. No need to be ashamed of anything. You can learn. We are here to learn. Just I'm not I'm not
Okay,
made this group to just show you that she is good or he is good. This is only for the person who want to learn basically, who want to improve their communication skill. They can join. They can listen the other person if they are like using any phrasal word, if they are using any vocabulary that you don't know. You can write down. You must be having like pen and paper. You can write down and you can learn that, and you can use while you are communicating. You can use for the next day or like day after tomorrow. So whatever you can just make it or use it on the daily basis in your schedule or while you are communicating.
okay, madam.
Okay,
I
so
will try.
yeah, all right. So yes, Roshni, anything else you want to inform to the Soumya and Paul Raz and we? How is your preparation going, Roshni, for your farewell?
About what?
Your farewell.
Farewell, yeah, it's nice. Like I've prepared I've prepared a kind of poet or like a poem, you can say. So I'm
Okay.
just working on it. So enhance it a little bit more.
Okay.
And I'm working on the memes. Like we need to prepare some memes and a video kind of
Can
thing
we
to tribute them.
can we
Yeah.
know the poem that you have written or like we can also listen that?
Yeah, actually that's in Hindi, but sure, I will
No,
love to do that.
no problem. Do it.
Okay. Yeah, so like, am I clearly audible or like, my voice is breaking?
Yeah, at my side, at my end, it's clearly audible. You can ask Soumya, it's
Okay,
audible,
so
Paul Raj?
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, it's audible.
okay.
it's not audible.
Yeah, no, no, it's audible.
Okay,
It's
Very
okay,
clear.
audible.
okay. Yeah, thank you. So I will like to share my poem. It's like like college की कहानी student की जुबानी. I have titled it in this way.
Nice.
College की कहानी student की
Title
जुबानी.
is very
Uh,
interesting. Let's see what's there in between.
yeah,
Okay.
actually this span of 3 year, taught us a lot. Not only in that sense of knowledge and all, like many things that we can apply in our life,
Mhm.
many lessons that will help us to live our life in a better way. And the lesson of humanity is the best thing that I learned from my teachers. So this is what I want
Great,
to
great.
say to
Perfect,
them
perfect.
and express my feel to them.
Yes,
So
please
like
proceed. Please
it is
proceed.
titled as college की कहानी student की जुबानी. And it start with, सुबह हो या शाम हो, चारों जहां में CHM का नाम हो. CHM is my college name, so that's why CHM का नाम हो. सुबह हो या शाम हो, चारों जहां में CHM का नाम हो. मैथ्स डिपार्टमेंट है हमारा ऐसा जहाँ टीचर्स होते हैं स्टूडेंट के साथ हमेरा हमेशा. हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट है हमारे पाखरे सर, बड़े अलबेले है इनके अक्षर. अब तक मैथ्स तो पढ़ा था ऐसा जहाँ फॉर्मूला सब प्रॉब्लम्स होते थे हमेशा. लेकिन यहाँ आके प्योर मैथमेटिक्स का खुला पिटारा, जिसमें से निकला थ्योरी का भंडारा. शुरू हुआ जब ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का सिलसिला, एसेंशियल एल्गोरिदम के कोर्स से हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला. सिलसिला यूं चलता रहा लंबा, यूं बीतता रहा, हजारों लम्हों को हमने जिया है. एम आई ऑडिबल? वाई यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग? इनकी तो आदत लग गई है. कॉलेज रीओपन होने का हमने बेसब्री से इंतजार किया है. 1 साल का सफर हसीन लम्हे जुड़कर पार किया है. आज इन सारे लम्हों को याद करने का दिन आया है. आपको धन्यवाद कहने का दिन आया है. कहना है हमें आपसे कि सीखा हमने आपसे हजारों पाठ है. लेकिन इन सब लेकिन इस जहां में